Hey guys, back here with the second part of my Panini Americana Heroes and Legends box break. Do the last 8 packs here, or so. I don't know, let's say I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 more to do, so let's get right into it. Jimmy Carter, Heather O'Reilly, Jill Loden, and there's Dan Jensen, John F. Kennedy, there's Becky Sorbrun, Andrew Johnson, and then we got a Summer Olympics card, Mal Whitefield, London, England. There's Rowdy Gaines and a Tuskegee Airman, Wilson. And there's an astronaut, Dick Gordon, and Jimmy Carter, Heather O'Reilly, Dan Jensen, John F. Kennedy, Becky Sorbrun. This is like the exact same pack we just had with the base. There's a Tobin Heath women's soccer card. And there's Vance Brand and Scott Carpenter. And there's Jill Loden, Zachary Tyler, Carly, Gary Hall Sr., Lori Lindsay, Herbert Hoover, there's Bueller, Jackie Joyner-Kearse. There's our first hit of the box, Charles Duke Proof, Relic. Pretty cool looking. Got a piece right there. Numbered to 25. Charles Duke. Pretty cool looking. Awesome card. Alright, and then we got Tammy Smith and Rowdy Gaines. So, the first hit of this box. It's pretty cool. And then we got women's soccer coach, Pia Sundance. There's Van Buren, Bruce Jenner, James Madison, Bob Beeman, James Garfield, Dan Gable, Mark Spitz, Summer Olympics, Munich, 1972. There's a Tuskegee Airman, we pulled this one earlier, Wilson. There's another one, Herbert Carter. There's Grover Cleveland, Dick Fosby, Gerald Ford, Heather Mitz, an astronaut, Jack Luzman, Bart Kroner, Abraham Lincoln, Charles Duke, and there's American Swimmer, don't know how to pronounce that last name. Oh, Jackie O. I like the First Lady cards too. It's a different thing to put into it. And we got Amy Rodriguez, James Polk, Dwight D. Eisenhower. There's Gary Hall Jr., Calvin Coolidge. It's Nicole Barnhart, Amy Wambach. There's an autograph there, Amy Rodriguez. Pretty cool. I like the autograph. It's kind of hollow. You can't really tell here, but it's really cool looking. Number to 175. So there's our second hit of the box. We have a Tuskegee Airman, and then Walt Cunningham. Alex Morgan, Andrew Jackson, my favorite president. There we go. Thomas Jefferson, there's Billy Mills, Rutherford B. Hayes, Bill Clinton. There's a teammates card, Lauren Cheney and Rachel Bueller. There's Katie Hoff and Tommy Kono. A few more packs here, so look for one more hit. Benjamin Harrison, Megan Rapone, Richard Nixon, Greg Louganis. There's Hope Solo. And there's Barbara Morgan, James Buchanan. And then the astronauts card there, Charles Duke, youngest man on the moon. Take a look at that. There, Sally Ride and Tobin Heath. Alright, there's Amy LaPelbet, Mal Whitefield, Harry Truman, Kat Osterman, Warren G. Harding, Eric Hayden. There's Barack Obama. There's our other hit, Frank Shorter autograph. Pretty cool there. Numbered to 299. Track and field. So, there we go. Those are the 3 hits. Roscoe Draper. Alright. Here's our last pack. Fred Gregory, Alan Bean, John Quincy Adams, Bonnie Blair, John Adams, Bill Polk, Edgar Mitchell, and another Summer Olympics card, Bruce Jenner, Montreal. There's a Tuskegee Airman, Floyd Carter, and Shannon Miller is our last one. So take a look at what we got. We got the couple Olympic cards there. And we got the astronaut, Charles Duke, women's soccer team teammates insert. And then we got another women's soccer insert. And a couple summer games. Mark Spitz and Mal Whitefield. And then we got the Charles Duke relic, the Frank Shorter autograph, and also Amy Rodriguez autograph. Alright guys, that does it for this box break. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.